Welcome to video R76 Units and Rates. Again, I'll give you a problem from the packet, and then I'll give you a problem to work on for your own. Here's problem 46. 6.4 yuan equals 1 US dollar. The government purchases 1.6 billion yuan and wants to know how many US dollars that is equivalent to. There's two ways of doing this. I'll do it first by the unit analysis method and then just by the ratio method with the proportion. All right, so I'm going to start with this. Realize that a billion is 10 to the ninth. So I've got 1.6 times 10 to the ninth y. I'm going to put it over 1 because when I multiply by a unit multiplier, I like to have a numerator and a denominator. And I want the y's to disappear, so I'm going to put them in the denominator. And I want to end up with dollars. I'm going to put that in the numerator. And I just need to know what that rate is. $1 is equivalent to 6.4 of those. Then this will cancel, and my units will be dollars. And I'll just show you that on the calculator really quick. I'll go 1.6 times 10, the caret key, the ninth, get rid of the caret, divided by 6.4. And I get this answer right here. I'll just use it. So that's 250 million dollars. All right, the second method involves using ratios. I'll show you that. Let's get this down. I could make a ratio like this. I could say 6.4 y's per 1 US dollar equals 1.6 times 10 to the ninth y's over question mark dollars. And whenever I've got a fraction equals a fraction, that is called a proportion, and I can simply cross multiply. So if you want, you can call this x. I'll just use the numbers now. 6.4x equals 1 times 1.6 times 10 to the ninth, and then just dividing by 6.4, dividing by 6.4, and you can see you get the same end result. Okay, so there's two different ways of doing it. I prefer the first method. I think it's more intuitive. All right, now for your problem, part B. $1 equals about 63.4 Indian rupees. The government buys 7.9 trillion rupees. How many US dollars is this? And report your answer in scientific notation with 2 significant digits. I'm going to get you set up right here. So your answer should be something, point something, times 10 to some exponent. So you can pause the video now, work on this problem. I'll write down the answer momentarily. The answer is 1.2 times 10 to the 11th dollars. Okay, that's how you work with units and rates.